Hello, my name is John White. I now live in a small town in Mexico. Today I'm going to explain how to play the game called the Maya Cosmic Number Puzzle. They are found on Google Play. You need to type in the full name to bring them up on your computer. At the present time, September 2013, we only have them available on the Android system of smartphones and tablets. Later we will have them available for regular PC computers and then for the Apple systems. These puzzles were originally found inside a Maya pyramid in the late 1940s of the last century. They were lost to the world for over 1,400 years. The original puzzles were inscribed on solid gold plates. Someday in the future we hope to show them all to you, but for now we only have 2 of them to show you. Today, I want to show you how to play the games. There are more than one type of game. We will show you the 5x5 version today. These puzzles are for children and people to learn how to start playing the game. Be warned, the 5x5 puzzles may be hard to complete. There are more videos posted on YouTube of the other versions of the game. There are 7x7 versions, there are 9x9 versions, and 10x10 versions that we have available now. Later we will have versions of the game of 11x11, 13x13, and 15x15. As you can see, they get very complicated. Today we will be showing you how to play the game with the numbers that you are most familiar with in school. The numbers used in the 5x5 version vary. The numbers in this puzzle are from 0 to 4. In other versions of the same book, you may also find puzzles that have numbers from 1 to 5, from 2 to 6, from 3 to 7, from 4 to 8, and 5 to 9. Next, read the rules on how to solve the puzzle in your native language. We have over 40 languages available on the Android system, so it should be easy for you to understand how to finish the game. To solve the Mayan Cosmic Number Puzzle, you must put a number from, in this case, from 0 to 4 in a space that is blank. There are 2 numbers in each space, and within each row you will be completing the numbers on the left side, a number on the left side, and a number on the right side. The first digit only occurs once in each row and each column. The second digit only occurs once in each row and each column. So you will only have, for example, one set of numbers of a 40. There will be no more duplicates of that number anywhere else in the puzzle, as each set of numbers will only occur once. Please read the directions for yourself in your native language. By solving this puzzle, I first start with finding the row or column with the least amount of blanks. In this row, we have 2 spots, 2 squares that both have no numbers. In this row, we have 2 spots. In this row, we only have 1. In this row, we have 2, and in this row, we have 2. So this is the easiest row to solve the puzzle in. As I said before, the numbers comprise from a 0 to a 4. So let's start with the numbers on the right side. We have a 0. We do not have a 1, which would go here. We do have a 2, we have a 3, and we have a 4. So I would put in the number 1 here. Then, for the number on the left side, there is a 0, there's a 1, There's no 2, there's a 3, and there's a 4. So I would put in the number 2 here, and that would solve the numbers for that row. Now, I will solve the numbers for this column since it only has one space with no numbers. Again, we have a 0, we have a 3, a 1, and a 4. So we are missing a 2. On the left side, the numbers are 4, 3, 2, and 1. So we are missing a 0. So the 0 would go here. Next, I would solve this row. I have a 0, a 2, a 1, and a 3. So I am missing a 4. The 4 would then go here. On the left side, we have a 1, a 0, a 3, and a 2. So we were also missing a 4, which would go here. Now, we can solve for this row here. We are missing let's see, we have a 0, a 2, and a 1. So we are missing a 4 and a 3. Column, we have a 4. The only number that could go here would be a 3. If the 3 goes there, then the 4 must go here. Then, for the numbers on the left side, we have a 4, a 3, and a 1. So we are missing a 0 and a 2. So, in this column, we have the 0. So the 0 cannot go here. So the 0 must go in this position. If the 0 goes there, then the only number that's not present is the 2, and it must go there. Then we can solve for this column, or we could solve for this column, which would be the easiest. We will start here and go with this column. We have a 4, a 0, a 1, a 3. So we are missing a 2. On the left side, we have a 2, we have a 0, a 3, a 4. So we are missing a 1. Now, in this column, starting on the right side, we have a 3, a 1, a 4, a 0. So we are missing a 0, a 4, a 3, a 1. So we are missing another 2. Now, we have two options. We can solve this row, we can solve this row. Doesn't matter which. Let's start with this row. We have a 1, a 3, a 0, and a 2. We are missing a 4. On the left side, we have a 4, a 3, 3, 2, 1. So we are missing a 0. That leaves us with only one square left to solve. We can solve it as a column, or we can solve it as a row. In this case, we'll solve it as a column. We have a 1, 4, a 2, a 3. So we are missing a 0. On the left side, we have a 1, a 0, a 4, a 2. So we are missing a 3. This solves this particular puzzle. This puzzle is a fairly easy puzzle. It would be a difficulty level of 1. Down here is where we rate the puzzles. We have different faces of a Mayan character called Zapaknu for the difficulty. It'll either be shown as a 1, 2, 3, or sometimes even 4. In this area here, we have the time for you to note how fast you solve the puzzle. And we are going to start including the date so that you can keep track of your speed. We hopefully will be able to see that your speed will increase dramatically in the factors of how fast you can solve the puzzle. I thank you for your time, and hopefully you will go to Google Play and purchase some of our puzzles. We also have on Google Play, the Android system, puzzles that are free so that you can see if you would like to buy an additional set of puzzles.